Hey, what's up everybody? I'm a fan of the Asus Zenpad series tablets, and I found the Z8S on eBay with a broken screen, and I wanted to challenge myself to replace the screen. You can purchase the LCD panel with or without the frame. I chose with the frame because it's only $10 more and it saves a lot of time and patience. So let's get right into it. The screen is held to the metal body with clips and two screws. You'll need the Torx bit T5 in order to remove these two screws at the bottom. The screws are very small, so remember where you put them. Remove pieces of glass with tape to minimize getting cut by any of the broken glass pieces. It's best to use suction to lift the screen near the screw holes at the bottom. If the glass is so shattered that you don't get suction, then you can use a 1.5 flathead bit and pry up on the lip of the screen near the screw holes. Here, I pull up with the suction tool and lift the screen with my prying tool. Then I insert the guitar pick and slide it around the screen. Gently lift the screen from the tablet so you can see what ribbon cables are connected to the motherboard. Lift up from the top of the screen while keeping the bottom of the screen on the tablet. Now slide the bottom of the screen closer to where the ribbon cables connect to the motherboard. Then lay the screen face down. Observe the latches for the ribbon cables on the screen side. For the gold cable, you'll lift the white latch. I used a 3.0 size flathead bit for this. Insert under the latch and turn the screwdriver to lift the latch. Now gently pull the gold ribbon cable off. For the white cable, you'll lift the white latch. Now gently pull the white cable off. Now remove your old screen. Compare the new screen with the old screen to make sure it's the correct item. Lay the replacement screen face down, the same way you had your original screen under the cables. Now you're going to put the cables back the same way. With the gold contacts facing up, push in the gold cable and lock in the latch. With the silver contacts facing up, push in the white cable and lock in the latch. Now you can lift the screen over and onto the tablet facing up. Press down on the edges of the screen to lock in the plastic tabs. Double check that your screen is fastened. Now screw in the two screws at the bottom and you're done. I connected the tablet to a charger and it wouldn't turn on. I figured the battery was drained because I had it laying on a shelf for about a few months. After holding the power button for 30 seconds, the low battery indicator showed up. It didn't want to charge on a 2-amp charger, so I had to use a 1-amp charger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave questions in the comment section and check the video description for more information.